Welcome to this video on engineering the perfect IELTS Task 1 process essay. We will guide you through the structural and grammatical strategies needed to move from a codebreaker to a master constructor. Process essays are unique because they lack numerical data. Instead, you face abstract steps, complex pathways, and technical machinery. This video will show you how to decode these diagrams efficiently. To succeed, first identify if your diagram depicts a man-made system or a natural phenomenon. This single step unlocks the specific vocabulary and grammatical structures you need for your response. This typology matrix highlights the differences. Use passive voice and sequential signposting for man-made processes, and active voice with cause and effect vocabulary for natural phenomena. Our recommended blueprint is a standardized 4-paragraph architecture, an introduction, a macro summary overview, and 2 body paragraphs covering the chronological stages of the process. A high-band essay requires a clear overview. Don't list every step. Instead, extract the boundaries by identifying the start point, the number of stages, and the final endpoint. For your body paragraphs, use our chunking protocol. Find the natural pivot point in the system and divide the process in half, ensuring a logical flow across 2 distinct sections. The connector matrix provides the glue for your essay. Use chronological markers for sequence, purpose phrases for manufacturing, and cause and effect language for natural processes. In man-made systems, shift your focus to the product using the passive voice. The formula is simple: the object plus the verb to be, followed by the past participle. Elevate your writing by explaining the purpose of machinery. Vary your expressions. Overusing "in order to" can make your sentence structure feel rigid and repetitive. When describing natural outcomes, chain your verbs like falling dominoes. Use phrases like "as a consequence" or "this means that" to demonstrate a clear progression of effects. Advanced writing condenses long clauses into academic noun phrases. Combine this with reference words like "this" or "the latter" to chain your ideas seamlessly without repeating nouns. Here's how we map a manufacturing schematic to text. By combining the action, the machine, and the purpose, you can create professional academic sentences for your essay. When a system has multiple outcomes, use conditional language to signpost the divergence. Clear transitions help the reader follow the different branches of the process effectively. Finally, apply these principles to natural processes. By using active voice and cause and effect connectors, you can clearly explain environmental changes from start to finish. Now let's look at constructing a natural framework. Notice how active verbs like flattening and compacted are used to describe environmental impacts, while signposting guides the reader through the consequences.
Moving to complex systems, we encounter the shellfish enigma. The challenge here is bridging the gap between physical goods and abstract data transfers, such as GPS monitoring. We must structure this clearly. To tackle this, apply the chunking protocol. By isolating the digital tracking from the physical processing, you create a logical structure for your 2 body paragraphs. Within this technological framework, focus on the passive voice to describe the product's journey. Use purpose clauses, like "in order to certify," to explain the function of each step. Refine your cohesion by avoiding repetition. Instead of repeating phrases, compress complex ideas into academic noun phrases, like "this digital certification." This welds your paragraphs together. By mastering these frameworks, you can confidently decode any process diagram. Use these structural and linguistic strategies to ensure your writing is precise, cohesive, and clearly articulated.